What's up, traders? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Forex Life. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I've gotten a lot of requests from you guys on the last video, the previous video that I posted, that you guys would like a strategy for Forex trading, like trading US30, gold, Nasdaq, Euro USD, all that amazing stuff. So I went ahead and I created this strategy for you guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over the ins and outs of the strategy. This is a scalping strategy. As you can see, we are using it on the 1 minute time frame over there, and this pair is US30. So I'll be going over it, giving you guys the entry points and also explaining how the strategy works, and at the end I will be giving you guys the settings. So this is on MetaTrader 5, however it does work on MetaTrader 4 as well. Okay, so you guys can apply it to your MT4 accounts and to your MT5 accounts. On this account, on MT5, this is my funded account through Vault Funder. If you guys want to get funded and trade with a funded account, I will leave a link in the description below to the prop firm that I'm currently using, with a discount code that you can use to get yourself 30% off your account purchase. Any account size, you'll get 30% off. And if you guys are trading on you are not using any prop firm accounts, my recommended broker I will leave in the description below, which is IFX. I've been with them for 5 years and they are the best broker around. So if you want to use that with your own money, I would suggest using IFX, and for the prop firms to use Vault Funder. So we're going to get straight into the strategy. It's self-explanatory. I always try to keep the strategies as simple as possible. If this is your first time here, or if you're a returning viewer, go ahead and click that like button, subscribe, comment, and make sure to share this video so it can be pushed out to more traders out there that are trying to find their feet. And in this community here at Forex Life, all my subscribers, I want to thank you guys for all of the continuous support, and we are here to help each and every one of you. So let's get straight into it. Like I said, this works on the 1 minute time frame. This is on the lower zoom level. You can use it on any zoom level which you prefer. I personally prefer the lowest zoom level. Okay, so with the strategy, there's just one thing that you need to look out for. Of course, if you apply price action to any strategy, it always becomes 10 times better. But if you are trading just based off the strategy, there's only one thing that you need to look out for. Two things actually. So we see these levels over here, right? We have these levels. So this is our strong sell area over here, and this is our strong buy area over there. So we're just going to be looking at those areas in order to take a buy and in order to take a sell. So once, let me just change the color of this. Once our CCI, which is this red line over here, once this red line reaches into this zone, into our strong sell zone, it needs to touch at least the first line. Okay, once it touches the first line, we're going to go ahead and we're going to enter our sell over there. And here we can see we had some consolidation over here in this zone, right over here. However, we are still in the sell. You enter your sell, you put your stop loss 50-60 pips depending on your account size and what your risk management is, and you take the sell and you hold the trade until your CCI reaches this levels, level 15, level 10, and level 13. Okay, so as we can see, it did not touch this level at the bottom, so we are still in the sell. So if you had entered your sell over here, you are still in your sell, you went down into profits, you back at entry, and it's playing around here. If you want to take a profit, you can go ahead and take your profits, but with this strategy, you hold it until it reaches your buy zone. Okay, now remember what I say, indicators always lag. Okay, this indicator also lags. It moves, as you can see, it moves with the chart. However, what I want you to have a look at, okay, you see this little arrow over here on your screen. This arrow allows you to move your chart from left to right. So what I want you to do is this dotted line that you're seeing on your screen when you touch the arrow, I want you to align that dotted line to the first leg of the M on the 1 minute on top over here on the 1 minute on that first line of the M. I want you to align it just there, okay? And that is the position of your chart where you should keep it. So you're not going to go back and forth, back and forth. You're going to leave your chart as is, and you're just going to watch the trades right over here. So if it reaches the zone, you enter your sell and you take your profits there. If it reaches the buy zone over here, you enter your buy, you take profits once it reaches there. You don't move your chart back and forth. Okay, so over here we can see here was a strong buy zone right over here, and then what happened, it went all the way up into our sell zone. So we would have entered the trade right over here and would have taken profits there. You would have entered the sell there and come all the way down and still be in this current sell. Same thing over here, we have a sell there, we're in the zone, enter our sell, take our profits over there. Quick scalp, this is on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, and this works on all pairs. So if we have a look at gold, we can see gold currently gave a buy signal. We've reached this zone. So in between these three lines, as soon as we hit the first line, we will then enter our sell. So we entered somewhere around there, and what do we do now? We wait for this red line to go all the way to the top level to exit our buy, because here we got our signal for the buy. So we wait for it to go all the way up to reach our sell zone in order to close our buy entries. Over here we can see we did not touch the white line. Only over here we touched the white line, our first entry. So we would have entered right over here, would have had some pullback, and then we would have caught this entire move all the way down until we've reached our buy zone. So that's the strategy, guys. It's extremely simple. Let's just have a look again. Here we've reached our buy zone, here we'd have entered, here we'd have exited our trade, and we'd have caught that. So you can use this to grow your small accounts. You can use it on any pair that you wish to use it on to grow your account. I personally only trade US30. That is what I'm doing. Follow me on Instagram to actually follow along for my journey. I'll leave my Instagram link in the description below, where I'm doing a 31-day challenge, and after 31-day challenge I'll be documenting my journey, trading funded accounts until I'm a 100k funded trader. Does that make sense? 100 until I have $100,000 funded account. That's right. Until I have $100,000 funded account, I'll be documenting my journey as well. And like I said, if you guys want to go ahead and trade with a prop firm, my recommended prop firm will be linked in the description below with a discount code for you guys. And if you don't know what a prop firm is basically you're paying a small fee for a large amount of capital. So you're not risking your own capital to trade. You pass two different phases, two different stages by complying with the rules of the prop firm. So 5% daily drawdown and 10% of the overall account size. But if you need more information regarding that, you can just chat me up on Instagram. Just DM me on Instagram and I'll answer all of your questions. So let's get straight into the settings real quickly. So keeping it really simple, your first indicator that you will be loading will be your relative strength index, your RSI. Once you click on that, you can see the period is 1. Apply to close. You can make it any color of your choice, it doesn't really matter. And in the levels, these are your levels that you're going to load. So we have level 13, 87, 90, 85, 10 and 15. The 13 will be your strong buy and the 87 will be your strong sell. Again, any color of your choice. Okay, then you click done, and once you click done, you're going to click on indicator window 1. You're going to click on this F plus sign over here, and then you're going to search for commodity channel index. Once you have that, these are the settings. So we're going to have period 5000, apply to open, any color of your choice. This is the line and in the indicator window 1 that scribbles at the bottom that I showed you guys. So you can, mine is red, you can make it any color of your choice. And then the levels, we're just going to have -40 and 40, and again any color of your choice. Once that's done, you just click on done, and you will be ready to go with the strategy that I've just explained. Really easy, really simple strategy. Go ahead, like this video, comment down below. Remember, always go ahead and practice on demo first before going live. I would love to hear some feedback from you guys. The support has been amazing. I do appreciate it. Remember to check the links in the description. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well for my personal journey, and I'll see you guys on the next video.